Hello everyone, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we are going to grouping our routes and also we are going to versioning our routes. Go to routes, api.php. To group route, we are going to use route : group. Here inside array, we need to prefix. Here we need to mention our version name. So let's say v1, comma, as API dot callback function we need to move our routes here. I'm going to move our test route inside our route group. Control S for save. I'm going to test this in our Postman API. This is our test route. It will return. Here we have mentioned our URL /API/test1. It will return error message. See, 404 found because we have moved our API under version 1. So we have to mention our version name in version name here. API/version1/test is our route URL. Now it's working fine. So let me change all our endpoint like this. Click save. Also here save. Here v1 save. v1 save, and here also save. Here we got 404 because we are not moving our routes inside our route group. Copy all our routes, move inside our route group. Control S for save. Test it now. Now it's working fine. In all user API also working fine. Edit user API also working. This also working fine. Let's separate our API by creating folder. So click 3 dots here and click add folder. I'm going to create auth folder. copy, track, register and move here. And also we are going to move login under auth folder. Let's create another folder. User, move this one, and this one. Thank you. See you on next lecture. Hello everyone. Welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we are going to see how to create environment variable in Postman. Go to your Postman app and go to environment from the sidebar. Let's create a new environment by clicking plus symbol here. Let's say Laravel API project. Go to your collection, copy this URL, go back to environment, Laravel API project. Let's create a new variable called URL in full capital letter, uppercase letter. Let's paste our URL. Click save. Let's close this one. Go back to your collection. Instead of giving full URL, we are going to simply double curly braces in uppercase URL. We need to select our environment from the top right drop down. Our environment is Laravel API project. See, let's check this one. See, we got success response. Let's do it for all our API endpoints. URL. Click save. For all user endpoint. For edit user. And delete user API. Click save. I'm going to check this one whether it's working fine or not. It's working fine. And also edit user. This is also working fine. And delete user API. This is also working fine. Let's test our login API. This is also working fine. Our register API also working fine. Thank you. See you on next lecture.